Welcome to this quick tip video on how to use focus mode in Wavebox to mute badges, notifications, and sounds. So let's get started. When you've got stuff to do, muting badges and notifications can help you stay focused. Click on the bell at the bottom of the web dock to show the focus mode. Use the first two checkboxes to mute unread badges and notifications. All groups are included by default, and you can select a duration from the options. Click on the Enter Focus Mode button, and unread badges are hidden and notifications are paused until focus mode expires or is manually disabled, which you can do at any time. Next, we'll click on the Audio Mute options, and this time we're going to choose a specific set of groups to include, which we call zones. Click on the Apply to All Apps option. Then give your new zone a name and check which groups you want to include. Note that focus mode will mute all apps and tabs in that group for the duration. Click on Done. This will take you back to the start, where your new zone is selected. You can also add a visual reminder of which groups are in the zone. You can create as many zones as you like for work, home, school, or side hustle. So let's recap by creating another zone. First, click on the existing zone, and then click on Create. Next, give the new zone a name and check what groups to mute in this zone and click on Done. This zone is now saved for you to use again and again. To help with performance, you can also choose to automatically sleep groups when in focus mode. Focus mode is unique to Wavebox and a simple way to limit everyday distractions when you're trying to get stuff done. If you have the bell icon hidden in the web dock, you can also launch focus mode using a keyboard shortcut. Search for focus mode in Settings and then set a key binding for it, so you can activate it in a keystroke. Focus mode is a built-in Wavebox extension that can be customized to separate work from home and to complement how you work. When in focus mode, you'll notice that there's an alert set on your computer's menu bar icon, and you can also use the icon's context menu to enter and leave focus mode. When it's time to concentrate, focus mode is invaluable. Here are our top tips. Click on the bell icon to use focus mode. Create zones for groups you will often need to mute. Create a keyboard shortcut in Settings. And did you know you can quickly mute any app from the right-click menu? That's all for this tip. Follow us at wavebox.io for more tips and visit our blog and KB for more help and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.